हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप फर्म और रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। ये वीडियो ना सिर्फ अकाउंट स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बल्कि जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं उन सब के लिए बड़ी ही बेनिफिशियल है। इस वीडियो में हमने प्रीवियस क्वेश्चंस साथ में मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन को कवर किया है जो कि एग्जाम और इंटरव्यू पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू सबके लिए हेल्पफुल साबित होंगे। इस वीडियो को शुरू करने से पहले अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हो, इस चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए ताकि आने वाली वीडियो आपको टाइम पर मिल सके। In the event of dissolution of partnership firm, the provision for doubtful debts is transferred to। जब भी एक फर्म डिसॉल्व होगी तो प्रोविजन जो बैड डेट्स के हैं वो कहां पे ट्रांसफर होते हैं? इस क्वेश्चन का राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट। On dissolution, if a partner undertakes to make payment of a liability of the firm, the account to be debited is profit and loss account, realization account, partner's capital account, cash account। इस क्वेश्चन का राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट। At the time of firm's dissolution, balance of general reserve shown in balance sheet is credited to realization account, credits account, partner's capital account, profit and loss account। इस क्वेश्चन का राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट। On dissolution, goodwill account is transferred to। इस क्वेश्चन का राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, इन द डेबिट ऑफ रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट। At the time of dissolution of partnership firm, fictitious assets are transferred to capital accounts of partners, realization account, cash account, partners loan account। इस क्वेश्चन का राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, कैपिटल्स अकाउंट ऑफ पार्टनर्स। On dissolution of a firm, a partner paid 1,500 rupees for firm's realization expenses. Which account will be debited? Cash account, realization account, capital account of the partner, profit and loss account। इस क्वेश्चन का राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट। On taking responsibility of payment of realization expenses by a partner, the account credited will be। जब भी एक पार्टनर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेता है कि वो रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट के एक्सपेंसेस वो पे करेगा तो कौन सा अकाउंट क्रेडिट होगा? रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट, कैश अकाउंट, कैपिटल अकाउंट ऑफ द पार्टनर, none of the above। The correct answer is option C, capital account of the partner। When realization expenses are paid by the firm on behalf of a partner, such expenses are debited to realization account, partner's capital account, partner's loans account, none of these। The right answer is option B, partner's capital account। Which of the following is transferred to realization account? Balance of profit account, balance of profit and loss account, amount realized on sale of assets, reserves। The right answer is option C, amount realized on sale of assets। On distribution of firm, loss calculated in realization account is debited or credited to which account? Cash account, partner's capital account, realization account, none of these। The correct answer is option B, partner's capital account। Which of the following is not transferred to realization account? Balance of cash account, balance of reserves, balance of profit and loss account, all of the above। The right answer is option D, all of the above. On taking responsibility of payment of a liability of 20,000 by a partner, the account credited will be realization account, cash account, capital account of the partner, liability account. The right answer is option C, capital account of the partner. Cash balance shown in the balance sheet is shown on dissolution of a firm in realization account, cash account, capital account, none of the account. The right answer is option B, cash account. There was an unrecorded asset of 12,000 which was taken over by a partner at 10,500. Partner's capital account will be debited by 12,000, 10,500, 1,500, 32,500. The right answer is option B, 10,500. On dissolution of a firm, bank overdraft is transferred to cash account, bank account, realization account, partner's capital account. The right answer is option C, realization account. On dissolution of a firm, partner's loan account is transferred to. The right answer is option D, none of these. The accumulated profits and reserves are transferred to realization accounts, partners' capital accounts, bank account, none of these. The right answer is option B, partners' capital accounts. On dissolution, goodwill account is transferred to. The right answer is option C, on debit side of realization account. On dissolution, when a partner takes over an asset dash is debited. Realization account, partner's capital account, cash account, asset account. The right answer is option B, partner's capital account. Unrecorded liabilities when paid are shown in debit side of realization account, debit side of bank account, credit side of realization account, credit side of bank account. The right answer is option A, debit side of realization account. Payment of credit balance of partner's capital account at a time of dissolution of a firm is made to partners, firms, wife, none of these. The right answer is option A, partners. On dissolution of firm, partner's loan account is transferred to realization account, partner's capital account, suspense account, none of these. The right answer is option D, none of these. At time of dissolution of a firm, book value of assets is recorded in which side of the realization account? Debit side, credit side, all of the above, liability side. The right answer is option A, debit side. Realization expenses are recorded in which side of realization account? Liability side, asset side, credit side, debit side. The right answer is option C, credit side. Realization account is a personal account, nominal account, read account, none of these. The right answer is option B, nominal account. On dissolution of the firm, partners' capital accounts are closed through realization account, drawing account, bank account, loan account. The right answer is option C, bank account. Unrecorded assets when takeover by a partner are shown in debit side of realization account, debit side of bank account, credit side of realization account, credit side of a bank account. The right answer is option C, credit side of a realization account. Expenses on dissolution of a firm is called realization expenses, legal expenses, loss expenses, none of these. The right answer is option A, realization expenses. Sundry creditors amounted to 8,000, they are paid at discount 5%. Realization account will be debited by 8,000, 7,600, 400, 8,400. The right answer is option B, 7,600 rupees. Amount realized from sale of asset is recorded in debit side of realization account, credit side of realization account, liabilities side of balance sheet, asset side of balance sheet. The right answer is option B, credit side of realization account. A firm can be voluntarily dissolved by the partners. Right answer is option D, none of these. On dissolution of a firm, amount realized from an unrecorded asset is credited to partners' capital account, cash account, realization account, revaluation account. The right answer is option C, realization account. Profit and loss on realization account is distributed among partners in profit sharing ratio, in capital ratio, equally, none of these. The right answer is option A, in profit sharing ratio. Which of the following is correct profit or loss in case amount received from the sale of assets is 50,000, total assets 60,000, total liabilities 20,000 and realization expenses 2,000. The right answer is option A, 12,000 loss. What will be the total asset except cash of the firm from the following? If creditors 50,000, partners loan 10,000 rupees, partners capital 40,000 rupees, cash in hand 5,000 rupees. The right answer is option B, 65,000. If the total assets are 3,25,000 and total outside liabilities 45,000 rupees, then the amount of all partners' capital will be. The right answer is option B, 2,80,000. Insolvency of a partner will come under what type of dissolution of a firm? Dissolution by court, compulsory dissolution, unhappening of certain contingencies, none of these. The right answer is option C, unhappening of certain contingencies. On firm's dissolution, which the following account should be prepared at the last? Realization account, partners capital account, cash and bank account, partners loan account. The right answer is option C, cash and bank account. On dissolution of a firm, a realization account is debited with all assets to be realized, all outside liabilities of the firm, cash received on sale of assets, any assets taken by one of the partner. The right answer is option A, all assets to be realized. On dissolution of a firm, out of the proceeds received from the sales of assets will be paid first of all partners' capital, partners loan to firm, partners additional capital, outside creditors. The right answer is option D.